Hello children, in this video we are going to continue chapter 7 exercise 2. So about more division we are going to see remainder in division. So for that I have took the example of 38 divided by 6. So you know very well that is the 6 you will call it as divisor and 38 you will call it as dividend. So I am going to use the long division method to do this division. So maximum you also just continue with the long division, because with the other continuing exercises we will go with only with the concept of long division. So this divisor will be written out and 38 will be written inside this symbol. And in 6 tables how many times 38 will come? We have to check in 6 tables how many times 38 will come. So you actually 38 will not get in 6 table. So that we have to check below 38. So whatever the value will get in below 38. So first you have to check whether this exact dividend whatever it is given, that will be divisible in the divisor. If it is not divisible, we have to check with the lesser value. Whatever the dividend value is given, with that lesser value we have to check it. So below 38 what we will get in 6 table? Actually 6 5s are is 30 and 6 6s are 36. Okay, actually 6 6s are 36. 6 6s are 36 will be lesser than this 38. So that we can consider this value here, that is 6 6 are, this 6 is your divisor, 6 6 are 6 times, this times we have to write top of this line. Okay, 6 6 are 36. So whatever the value you get, no, that you have to write below this dividend. Below this dividend we have to write, and then we have to subtract 38 minus 36. What you will get? 2. Okay, if you minus you will get 2. So now this 6, see I am going to stop doing division over here because I don't have any other value after this 38. So after doing this subtraction you are getting the balance as 2. So this 2, you know, you will call it as quotient, and this 2 after subtracting you got balance as 2, no, this 2 you will call it as remainder. Understood? So like this only we have to do with any number of divisor and dividend. First you have to check with the dividend whether it is divisible with the divisor. If it is not completely divisible, you have to check with the divisor with the lesser value. Whatever is given as a dividend with lesser value you have to check. That you have to consider, and you have to minus with this dividend, and the balance you will get it as a remainder. So to check whether your division is right or wrong, we can use a checking method which is called quotient into divisor plus remainder you will get as a dividend. That is 2 steps we are going to use to check whether our division is right or wrong. So to do checking process, first thing you have to check whether the remainder is lesser than the divisor. That is, after subtracting you got one value, no, that you will call it as remainder, no. This value you have to check whether it is lesser than the divisor. Actually divisor is your 6, remainder is 2. So obviously remainder is lesser than divisor. Remainder lesser than divisor. Okay, so if it is lesser than divisor, you have to go with the second checking process. This is the first checking process. If it is remainder is lesser than divisor, you have to move to the second checking process. What is that second checking process? The whatever the quotient value, that has to be multiplied with the divisor. After multiplying, you have to add that value with the remainder, so that you have to get the dividend value. I'll show you example with the same thing. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, so first we are going to do the multiplication process. Quotient is 6 into, what is divisor? Divisor is also 6 plus remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is 2 here. Okay, so now 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 6 are 36 plus 2. This remainder you have to add it. So what you are getting after adding? 38. So this 38 is nothing but your dividend. Okay, so you have to use these two process of checking. If these two things are that is, after doing this checking process, if these two are positive, your division is correct. Okay, so hope you have understood. Thank you, children.